Hello, my name is Axel Rodriguez, and I'm the global lead for our cybersecurity partnerships. I'm here with Matt Robbie from Dragos, and we're going to talk a little bit about the relationship between Dragos and Rockwell Automation. Hey, Matt, how are you doing?
Hi, Axel.
Can you tell me a little bit about Dragos?
Certainly. So Dragos was founded in 2016 by the folks that created the industrial control system specific cybersecurity strategy for the US government. Our founders noticed a trend of adversary behaviors and risks that would proliferate across industries that wasn't being addressed and couldn't be addressed by traditional IT methodologies. Our mission at Dragos is to help customers defend from and understand the threats in their environment and build a strategy that is specific and sustainable within OT.
That's great. So why you Dragos chose to partner with Rockwell Automation?
So, like I mentioned, our focus is on industrial control system specific security. And there's no greater partner in this space than Rockwell Automation. Rockwell Automation brings a vast knowledge, as you both manufacture these systems that we're trying to harden as well, and the network infrastructures and the customers leverage in all of their environments today. Understanding the global scale of Rockwell that you bring from both being able to deploy security solutions and also set up defensible architectures that are outside of the purview of Dragos. So put simply, you bring a global scale for customers to operationalize those security investments quickly.
That's great. So what kind of technologies and services are part of this partnership between Rockwell Automation and Dragos?
Yeah, so at Dragos, we really have kind of three core verticals of our business. And it all builds around the Dragos platform, which is our technology solution that helps customers visualize the assets in their OT environments. And it's natively built by those OT practitioners, so it's not going to cause any sort of adverse effects in those networks. Rockwell Automation then brings your network security services organization on top of that to bring that global scale. So if it's virtualization equipment for those sensors that live in the industrial environments, if it's the deployment and the configuration of that technology stack, or even the remote support that's available globally 24/7 that the customers of Rockwell Automation are familiar with. In addition to the technology platform, we have a joint incident response retainer. And really what that brings customers is the ability to have the comfort that in case of the bad day happening in their environment, so the cybersecurity incident, they know who to call and they're available with Dragos and Rockwell to be able to help you understand what's happening in the environment, remediate from those threats, and have the boots on the ground resources within Rockwell to get those drives and PLCs and devices reconfigured and back up and running as quickly as possible. In addition to that incident response component, there's also some proactive services available through this partnership to help folks really start that OT security journey and build out those best practices. So if it's a defensible architecture or if it's really starting that communication between the IT and OT organizations to understand what needs to happen and steps they need to take to really build out that defensible architecture.
Very interesting. And how do you think this partnership will evolve over time? I mean, what kind of better together messaging we can provide to our customers, to our common customers for the future?
Yeah, so really the core tenets of our partnership will just continue to evolve, and as adversary behavior evolves, it becomes more complex. Dragos and Rockwell will be with customers to adapt to those threats and try to get ahead of them. In addition, we have a threat intelligence organization that works closely with the Rockwell Automation product security organization to ensure that whatever we do going forward is in line from a product design perspective and also from a network deployment recommendation and guidelines that we help with customers.
Thank you very much, Matt. It's a pleasure to have you. We hope that we have a great show here at Automation Fair, and looking forward to continue to work with Dragos on building better and better cybersecurity offerings for our customers.